Do you think there's a future where central bank digital currencies exist, or is this quite a scary?
Oh no, they'll definitely exist.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll definitely exist. But a free market of value is a very interesting, to me, concept and hopefully realization. So there's no reason why any country can't have a central bank digital currency, which to me is sort of a little bit of an offshoot of a stable coin that's backed by a country's currency, and again, managed by the central bank. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. They can do that. But you also have the option to opt out of that and own Bitcoin and Ethereum and dollar or whatever it is that you want to own. And I think this is what's so exciting about certainly the fund that I'm building now and the companies that we're investing in is they're building this entire future, this world of digital value. So I don't see why a competitive landscape is a problem. Like, so what? Let the central banks do their CBDC, and people will either invest in it or not, right? And if they have to use it to transact, that doesn't mean they have to use it to hold their savings in, right? I mean, often you hear that Bitcoin is a savings technology. It really is. Ethereum is more, I think, programmable money. Now, Bitcoin is showing that it can be that too. But I think that there are going to be blockchains that have specific use cases. You don't need the insane, incredible security that Bitcoin provides. I mean, Bitcoin is completely unhackable. At the moment, it's a little slower than some of the other chains, but when you really care about security, when you're sending that billion-dollar transaction vis-a-vis Bitcoin from, I don't know, New York to Frankfurt or whatever it is, it's okay if it takes an extra minute or whatever it is. It's pretty much direct. But there are things that you don't need Bitcoin for. If you're going to buy coffee, I don't really think you need Bitcoin. I mean, you can send it over the Lightning Network. I think that's wonderful. But I just see a world where you have a lot of specialty blockchains, one used for, maybe you end up having a world where real assets are tokenized. And maybe it's too expensive to tokenize them on Bitcoin. Maybe Ethereum is a better platform. Maybe, there are different chains that are going to be useful for NFTs. So I see this whole big world of value. And I think central bank digital currencies have a place. But remember, we have the option, not to put our savings in those, right? So that to me is not such a horrible thing. I mean, I know people are panicked and worried about central bank digital currencies, but I think it's just a natural progression.